Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. October 12, 2025, Sunday Racing, karera sa araw ng linggo. Meron po tayong 10 races dito sa Metro Turf, Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas. 10 exciting na races mula race 1 hanggang race 10. Bago po natin pagpatuloy ang ating pong mga karera cool talks, pabati po ako sa inyo. Happy Sunday, happy Family Day po sa inyong lahat. The family that prays together, stay together. At remember to be good, because God is good all the time. Balik karera, cool talks po tayo. Starting time ng karera ngayong araw ng linggo, 2 p.m. alas 2 ng hapon. At katulad ng araw ng Sabado, no bearing, no effect pa rin po. At ito po yung pangalawang araw na handog ng ika-13 Philippine Horse Racing Trainer Association Incorporated Annual Racing Festival. At muli po nating i-acknowledge ang buwan ng Oktubre ay Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Here's a race 1. Isa itong Pirocom Benefit Race, handog ng PHRTAI 42-56 split classification. Meron po itong Super 6. Ang lineup na ito ay nakapaloob sa 16 to 21. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 12, High Intensity. Cool second choice, number 10, Prima Vera. At cool third choice, number 5, Full Combat Order. Race 2. Ito po yung first winner take all, covers races 2 to 8. At ito yung 2025 Pirocom PCSO 2-year-old maiden stake race. Excuse po. Dapat ay 5 entries to, kaya walang number 1. Pinull out po siguro at yun na nga, to scratch. Marahil nagkaroon ng injury o physical problem, ano man yun. Siya pa naman yung nanalo ng malayo at magaan na nanalo doon sa trial, si Red Velocity. So dito sa race 2, isang 1,200 meter distance, ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 2, Candle in the Wind. Tumako na tayo sa race 3. Ito naman po yung first pick 5, covers races 3 to 7. Dito sa race 3, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 2, Real Equity. Cool second choice, number 8, Make a Difference. Meron po itong Pentapecta 17-41 split. At ang lineup na ito ay nakapaloob sa 6 to 10. Tumako tayo sa race 4. Ito na po yung second winner take all, dahil yung first winner take all ay nasa race 2. So race 4, second winner take all, covers races 4 to 10. 1,600 meter distance, isang milya. Yung race 3 po, isang another Pirocom Benefit Race. Ito namang race 4, PHRTAI PGA Cars Bentley Cup. 6 entries, pawang imported. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 1, Sherbet Fountain. Cool second choice, number 3, Birchstone. Bago tayo sa race 5, second pick 6, covers races 5 to 10. Ang race na ito ay may pentapekta. Ito naman po ang PHRTAI MMTCI combined na 3-year-old imported local challenge race, pero nakita ko po na walang local, so all imported challenge race. Ang ating pong cool first and only choice, number 1, the undefeated Morally with Jackie M.A. Alvarez. Sa race 6, second pick 5, covers races 6 to 10. Yung race 5 po, second pick 6, covers races 5 to 10. Itong race 6, ito naman po ang Renzel and Roldan Stable Trophy Race. 17-41 split. At ang lineup na ito ay nakapaloob sa 6 to 10. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 2, Peerless. Cool second choice, number 1, My Jopay. At cool third choice, number 14, Boss Pabale. Race 7, pick 4, covers races 7 to 10. At ito naman po ang FR Sibilia. Marahil itong abbreviation na INDL, Industrial and Development, DEVT, Trophy Race. 42-56 split classification po. Isang 1,600 meter distance, isang milya. 28-33 naman po nakapaloob ang lineup na ito. Ang ating pong first cool and only choice, coupled entry, 1, Crusading, 1A, Counter Attack. Dumako na tayo sa race 8. Yung pong race 7 may pentapekta, kung hindi ko po nabanggit. At itong race 8 may Super 6, 42-56 split. Kabilang naman ang lineup na ito sa 22 to 27. Ito po ang PT Limhoco Construction Company Incorporated Trophy Race. Ating pong cool first choice, number 2, Modern Legacy. Cool second choice, number 11, Perfect Shot. Tumako na tayo sa race 9. Race na may pentapekta. At 17-41 split. Kabilang naman ang lineup na ito sa 11 to 15. At ito po ay in honor of the late Antonio de Ubago Jr. Trophy Race. May pentapekta. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 11, Brown Pirate. Cool second choice, number 2, Elegant Lady. Race 10. At ang race na ito ay may Super 6, 17-41 split. Pinakamababang grupo, Grupo 5. At mas mababa pa, o yung under Grupo 5 pa, kasama rito. Ito po ang Silver Bullet Production Trophy Race. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 4, Cristiano. Cool second choice, coupled entry, 2, Footloose, 2A, California King. At cool third choice, number 12, Potential. bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!